All right, you're on video, Rodriguez. Show us how it's done. Gills and Fins TV.
Gills and Fins TV.
You got to give some commentary here. You're doing a pretty shitty job at being a television personality.
One of them rockfish. Nah, he's not gonna like when he sees the boat. I'm pretty sure. Could be another toadfish.
Yeah, definitely. Toadzilla right here, boys.
Take it. He's not gonna like it in a second. Oh, he's coming to the boat. There you go.
Oh, he's pulling off some drag. How does that make you feel on the inside?
Warm and slightly tingly. 16-year-old girl trying to say no all the time. First kiss in the morning feels wonderful.
Ooh. We got the net man ready over here.
Oh gosh, we're gonna get payback for yesterday.
Yeah. Oh, look at that. Oh, putting on a show. Beautiful redfish. Look at that. Hey, you can't use that language on TV, sir.
Sorry. This is Spanish television.
Oh, nice redfish. Whoa, look at that. The net man came through.
That's how you put them in the net, sir.
Net man.
Can't tell nobody about this place.
I know, right?
Alright, sir, we don't have time for you to mess with this hook. We gotta go to commercial.
Get him out of the net, huh?
Nice fish. Here, let me, alright, we're off video. Live from Charleston, South Carolina. on Wando River.